The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for southern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, central Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, until noon Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. At 5:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in and around the Atlanta metro area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Lawrenceville, Decatur, Conyers, Cumming, Jonesboro, Peachtree Corners, Mountain Park, City of South Fulton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Milton and Kennesaw. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Turn on headlights, slow down, and give yourself ample time to reach your destination.